Indoor philodendron plant benefits. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Today I am feeling excited to share with you about 8 fantastic indoor philodendron plant benefits. These benefits will surely tempt you to add this evergreen beauty to your indoor plant collection. If there is one house plant that comes in many shapes, color and size, then philodendron is the ideal plant to choose. After watching this video, you will get enough reasons to make it a part of your interview, not as an ornamental plant only, but also for many reasons, which I am going to talk in this video, so watch carefully. Indoor philodendron benefits are no. 1. Improve air quality. Indoor plants improve air quality. Philodendron remove formaldehyde, toluene, trichloroethylene, and xylene from indoor air. Grow big leaf philodendrons like CLDU pink princes, as their massive glossy leaves look great, while cleaning off harmful pollutants from the air, while improving oxygen level in our home. Elephant ear heartleaf and split leaf philodendrons helps to purify the air inside home. No to low maintenance. Always keep the soil slightly moist and place it in brightly indirect light area to keep the plant healthy. Growing hearty philodendron can grow without sunlight. No. 3. Adaptable in nature. Generally, houseplants do not take it easy when you move from one place to another, but philodendrons don't mind when you shift them around. They adapt beautifully in shady locations when moved from bright light areas. They withstand most light conditions and even darker spots that don't receive any indirect light. They do well in bright filtered light, where they grow pretty quickly. No. 4. Can be grown in water. You can grow this lovely houseplant in water, without the mess of soil. The trailing vines look gorgeous in transparent glass vases and jars, making a great addition to the tabletop centerpiece. Even philodendrons are easy to propagate. No. 5. Boosts humidity and reduces dry air. Dry air in home can cause many health issues, like asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis, and nose bleeding. Philodendrons have a good transpiration rate. Thus they boost humidity and reduces dry air. At your home, you have to mist its leaves every day to keep the plant looks glossy. Which variety will you choose? You may watch this video titled 15 Types of Philodendron to add to your indoor plant collection. Link is given in description box as well. No. 6. Makes a bold impression as a centerpiece. If you want to introduce a larger-than-life feeling in your decor, then Monstera deliciosa can be a great centerpiece, as it attains an impressive height. Keep the plant in an area with bright indirect light, which help to induce growth rate. Even philodendrons can act as a natural soundproofing, they absorb sound waves. No. 7. Brings positivity. Interaction with indoor plants reduces psychological stress by suppressing autonomic nervous system activity. In humans, philodendrons help in the suppression of sympathetic nervous system activity and diastolic blood pressure and promote comfortable, soothing feelings. Large heart-shaped leaves of philodendron activate fire energy in feng shui. We feel more enthusiastic and energetic by just seeing this plant. Our level of performance and quality of productivity increases. Thus we can earn more money this way. They bring positive energy, good luck, and abundance in our life. Best to keep philodendrons in south or southeast areas of your home. No. 8. Helps sleep better. Philodendron in bedroom does not just purify the air. It also helps you sleep better. People feel less stress when they see or smell a philodendron plant. This plant helps promote less muscle tension, healthier heart activity. This plant can also positively affect the neurotransmitter activity and ion exchange activity in our brain. I hope this is enough to impress you to keep philodendron in your bedroom. If you found this video informative, then give it a like, subscribe this channel, and press the notification bell to get such gardening-related videos regularly. Take care of your green friends. Stay happy and healthy. Thanks for your time.